It's no surprise that the Tudor Black Bay 58 has been a fan favourite for 2018. With its classic proportions, popular colour choice and thinner case, it was always going to be a winner. The 58 recently arrived at WatchGecko HQ for a review and extended coverage, which brings us to today. Let's take a moment to unbox this new watch and discuss our first thoughts on the piece. First things first, the packaging. This matte black box with soft suede lining perfectly presents the 58, enhancing the gold, gilt tones and colours of the watch. The quality of this box is something we've come to expect from Tudor. Now for the main attraction. The first thing you'll notice when opening the box is that new 39mm case width. This new case combines both brushed and polished surfaces expertly well, resulting in a piece with noticeably high quality details. Picking up the watch, the thickness, or lack of thickness, really stands out. In true Tudor style, the quality and construction is incredibly high for this price point. The bracelet with its rivet design and considerable taper really assists the watch's vintage heritage. Initially, I wasn't 100% sold on the addition of the gilt colouring on the bezel. However, in person, I'm pleased to report it works very well, not overpowering the watch at all. An early favourite feature of the watch is the crown guardless design. This really emphasises the watch's history and pays a tasteful nod to original divers. Putting the watch on the wrist, that 39mm size really feels perfect. If you're familiar with the larger 41mm diver, there's no doubt you'll notice the size difference. And if you held off on the larger version because of that size, this is the watch for your wrist. The thickness feels great as well. Thick enough to know you're wearing a modern, well-made piece, but not too thick that it stands out and gets in the way. And certainly thin enough so it can slip under your jumper or coat cuff with ease. Keep your eyes on the channel and the WatchGecko blog for more coverage of the 58 in the near future. What videos would you like to see of the 58? Strap suggestions? Comparisons to other watches in the Black Bay line? Have your say in the comments below. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.